Introducing the Ignite Evolve from Dimplex, the latest evolution in built-in electric fires. This elegant and stylish electric fire features edge-to-edge glass, which offers a flawless panoramic view of the flickering flames. With its slim design of just 147 millimeters, it seamlessly blends into modern and traditional spaces, making it the perfect choice for building into a media wall. With the unique OptiFlame technology originally crafted by Dimplex, this fire provides stunning flames. And with the softly lit media ember bed and driftwood logs, it creates a beautiful fire experience, elevating your home with glowing tranquility. For the utmost in realism, there is an option of an oak log set, which will enhance your overall flame experience by creating an authentic radiance. Use the Flame Connect app or remote control to change the fire to your preference. With a host of features, you can control the thermostat, adjust the color of the flames and media bed, flame brightness and speed, all by the touch of a button. Available in various sizes, 50, 60, 74 and 100 inch, there is a model to suit all applications, enabling the Ignite Evolve to become a stylish aesthetic in virtually any space. Ignite Evolve is the perfect fireplace to add warmth and ambience to any room, and provides a very energy-efficient solution due to the patented Comfort Saver technology, which reduces unnecessary energy usage while keeping a stable room temperature, saving you up to 11% energy. Discover Ignite Evolve from Dimplex. Experience better living.